When we order the 128 ounce outdoor odor eliminator from EcoStrong, it comes along with this sprayer. And this sprayer is designed to fit onto your hose and then give you a variety of pressures coming out the front. And this way it's easy to hold on to it like this, have your portion of your outdoor odor eliminator in the jar, and it's real simple to open this up and refill it. All the internal valves and stuff on this sprayer are stainless steel, so it works really well. And you can spray just like you would through a standard hose extension, only it's going to siphon some of the outdoor odor eliminator, and that'll clean AstroTurf, grass, concrete, stones, pretty much any surface that you're getting odor from the pets. Hope this helps.